This is a 2012 Acura TL. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, big 19-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice recognition, 8-way power adjustable seats, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, air vents for rear-seated passengers, and this vehicle has less than 49,000 miles. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.